Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to talk about this amazing yarn that I love to use here. So this one here is a bundle of pink and I really love this yarn. It is cotton mainly and it's just so easy to crochet with, to knit with. It's a go-to when I'm making blankets or any projects. I just love the thickness of it. It's not too small and it's not too big. You can pretty much use any size crochet hook for whatever project you want. It's good for any type of blanket too that you want to do, which I really love. I chose this bundle here of pink because I'm making a blanket for a girl and it's such a nice shade. It's just like a nice soft tone. I love the feeling of it. It's so snuggly. It's super soft as well. I like the fact that you can get a bundle of yarn because I know I can never just do a project with one, so the fact that you are getting multiples with this is absolutely amazing because then I know I'm gonna have just enough for my project. That's just my point of view.